Alright guys, buenos noches. We're right here in the city of Rosemead, California. I brought Joey and Junior. Which one is this? That's Junior. What's up, Junior? What's up? And Joey's over here in the deep end. He's over here at 13 feet.
Hey,
what, babe?
I have an exact penny. It looks just like this. This is so cool. I like this.
Nice. Anyway, guys, we're right here doing the quality time with the boys. What? Yeah. Hang on to it. Put it in your pocket. We're at Rosemead Pool, guys. Look how beautiful that sunset is. Amazing. The precious moments, guys. The time that we never get back. People always say, oh yeah, I'm gonna do this next year and next week and next month. Nobody's perfect, guys. Do it the best you can, when you can, whenever you can. Spending time is spending time. When you're spending time with your loved ones, with your children, with whatever, those moments are irreplaceable and precious. Time is the one thing we don't get back. So, love your family, love yourself. As you're out there, live your best life. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, I have a question. What goes up but never goes down?
What's that?
Age.
Oh. Well, that's what he said, and that's what he thinks. All right, let's go check on Joe. See what he's doing. There he went. That was him right there. That splash, that was Joey. Hey Joe, you good?
No.
What happened? You belly flop?
No. I can never belly flop.
You getting better at diving?
Yeah.
I love you, boy. All right. We'll catch you on the next episode. Right here at Rosemead Pool, my boys, JoJo and Junior. So beautiful the sky is. I ain't gonna lie, guys. Today the weather was like, I want to say 101 in the city of Rosemead. It was pretty hot. Pretty freaking hot. So we ended the day going to the pool. Just quality time, guys. Quality time with your kids. If you guys got kids, we make time for everything else. It's always better to make time than make excuses, let me tell you. My dad used to make excuses why he's never around. And that's fine. Good for him. But me, I'm gonna say like this straight out. But me, anywhere I wanna be, I'm gonna be there. I don't give a fuck. I got that attitude because it's real. Life is too short to make excuses why I'm not doing shit. It's better that I just get off my ass and do the shit and appreciate what's in front of me and who's in front of me. Because the people that are in front of us today are not promised to us tomorrow. Appreciate, know who's around you, and love the ones closest to you. Have a good day. Hey, not that I know any of this shit.
You come in? Huh? Come in? Just dried off. No, look at my stomach, bro. I just dried off. You'd be in the water.
Jojo, be nice.
I just dried up my stomach.
I know. Nice.
Look at that fake six-pack.
I know.
He's holding his tummy. It's a whole lie. Trust me. I'm his child. I know him more than you all do.
And then a long way on my knees, no problem. Long way. We got back and we were like, you know what, you're pretty confident. I'm going to stand up. So we were right there where the lighthouse, that little lighthouse playground is on 17th or whatever. And there's like that baby. That's where we hit the park tomorrow. Let me just try it right here. So I stand up. Always try it here. So I stand up on the board. And I'm going across and I have to go across and around and back. Here, I get all the way to the end. Here comes the boat with the weight.
I love swimming, guys. It's a great exercise, great cardio, strengthens the body, the legs. It's very liberating as well. You know, you get to relax.
Basically, they took that rope. I was pretty close to shore them. And of course,
Moon's out. It's a beautiful scene. Look, you got the moon. That's the moon right there, guys. Got the moon, you got the sunset, and I got my boys. See if I can catch them all in one shot. My boys, the moon, and the sunset. I got them all. Okay, Joey and Junior are mine. The other guy in the middle is their friend. I got the shot of the moon and the shot of the sunset. I'm good with that. Very content. That's a nice shot. That shot right there. Worth every second. All right, YouTube, thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Whoever's out there, man, be the best person that you know how to be. Catch you on the next one.